Hot buttered rum. Hot buttered yum. That should just be the intro. All right. So for the hot buttered rum, you're gonna need to make your hot buttered rum mix, which I'll show you how to do right now. Here we go. Hot buttered rum mix. Nice. So take your hot buttered rum mix, and we're going to need about 2 tablespoons of that. So that, let me see, 2 tablespoons is 1 ounce. I knew that. It's 1 ounce. 2 tablespoons is 1 ounce. So that's about that much. Perfect. You really just want to eyeball it. It's a good hunk. 1 standard pour of, so really any rum you want. Hot butter, like we said in the episode, this drink is as versatile as spaghetti sauce. So we have a spiced rum here that we're using because I think it just adds a little more flavor to the drink. And that's definitely more than 1 ounce. Because like I said, it's a winter warmer, so you typically put a little more rum in it when you're making it for yourself, especially at home, because it's going to warm your bones and going to make you feel good. And it's going to clear those sinuses right up. So hot water to top it off, the hottest water you can get, and then just stir, 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 stir. Checking every once in a while to make sure you don't have any chunks. It is butter and sugar and all your spices, so it's going to dissolve pretty good in the hot water as long as the water is really hot. And then if you need a garnish, cute ass little cinnamon stick. Shit, that guy's too small. All right. Hot buttered yum.